Cylon is a professionally applied product that must be installed correctly to ensure that it properly protects the vehicle. To instruct detailers how to apply our product, we have created this video. Here is our interior XMicrobe application tutorial. Cylon offers an advanced EPA-registered XMicrobe product with a new, intuitive application process. To prepare the vehicle for applying this XMicrobe product, the interior should be clean and free of debris. Remove the floor mats and leave them somewhere nearby, but out of the way. Open all interior compartments. Making sure there's adequate ventilation, start the car and turn on the air. Set the force of the blower to a medium setting, the direction to defrost, and the air vents to recirculate. This airflow ensures complete coverage of the product. Now, to prepare for the application, pour the contents of the XMicrobe bottle into the tank of the atomizer. Rotate the nozzle control counterclockwise to its outermost setting. Beginning with the front seat, slowly direct the fog across the car, covering every interior surface. Earlier, we instructed you to turn on the recirculate function on the car's air conditioning unit. This is because, as you are spraying the interior of the vehicle, the product is being drawn through the air intake and is circulating through the ventilation system, killing the germs and odors in what is an otherwise most difficult area to cleanse. Repeat this process in the back seat of the vehicle. Repeat the same process in the trunk of the vehicle. Spray the floor mats, then return them to the vehicle. Spray the remainder of the solution into the vehicle, then let the vehicle sit with all of the doors closed for about 10 minutes to ensure complete disinfection and bonding. While you wait, cleanse the fogger with mild detergent and rinse well. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Return to the vehicle with a towel to wipe up any residue from the product. Turn off the car and congratulate yourself on a job well done. Thanks for watching our instructional video. For more instructional videos or for more on the benefits of this XMicrobe product, check out our channel.